Hi everyone and welcome back. It's Marina here and I'm sharing with you today a new project which I made using my scraps from the paper collection Imagine by Stamperia. Just like the title says, I had some leftovers from this collection and I decided to make this journal in no time. It's a very easy tutorial, especially for beginners. I love this project because I think that the papers are made to match on a journal project. Here I used some coffee-dyed papers. You could definitely ink the edges with distress ink to look more vintage, but actually I had no time at all for inking. However, I'm really happy with the result. I would like to mention that down below in the description area you will find all the measurements in inches and centimeters as well. I begin by cutting a piece of scrapbook paper from the collection, 28.5 by 20 centimeters, and score it on the long side at 14 and 14.5. I burnish well with a bone folder. I am now putting double-sided tape in these three sides because I wanted to create a pocket. If you like to make a pocket too, you can simply follow this step, otherwise you should put glue in all the paper. But really the pocket gives this extra touch in this project. Of course, instead of using double-sided tape, you can use liquid glue if you prefer. Here I coffee dyed three papers. On YouTube there are a lot of DIYs on how you can tea dye or coffee dye the papers to give this vintage look. They measure 28 by 14 centimeters and I simply fold them in half. To keep this signature in place, I secure it with a lace, but later on I changed my mind and I finally used the cord. I decided to make a fabric band as a closure, but definitely this is totally up to you. You could use fabric, paper, burlap, anything that you prefer. The only thing you should take care of it is to watch out the band to be loose and not so tight. That was the tutorial for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!